Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for link price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Drop your questions or comments below. I would be glad to answer it. For quick updates, also follow me on X. The link is in the description below. So let's see what Link has done today. I mean before a couple of days, we were analyzing Link, and it was a little bit shaky here where our diagonal, contracting diagonal, is in danger to be invalidated. So let's see what happened. Of course, we're gonna check in a few minutes after just getting inside the daily chart, where we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave A or a potential wave 1 towards the upside, of course, after a B or a 2 here in a W, X, and the Y. Your wave Y has a range a very long time here, so of course that is a wave Y. It is very possible to range like this. And of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where we are looking for a wave 1, which is possibly your wave 1 of your wave C or your wave 3. Inside this wave, of course, after this wave, we are looking for an A, B, and a C, or a wave 2, where we are looking exactly here at 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 3 waves down. So I would call this much better as WXY. However, it's going to be, of course, a corrective 3 waves. If we look even further now, after this, you want to seek for higher prices, and this is exactly what we saw. Now, the pattern given here is looking like a whether double 1-2s or a contracting diagonal. It should be one of these two options. There is no other option, of course, unless we are bearish in case we see lower prices. That because for the fifth waves here, we did not see the price breaking the high, right? So far. And by looking at these zigzags here, it is very possible that, of course, we might be much more in contracting diagonal, while for 1-2s, you need, of course, a very clear impulse towards the upside, which is not available in this wave. However, in this wave, okay, you might find an impulse as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or in a contracting diagonal. However, it looks much more like 3 waves, and it brings us, of course, to a zigzag, where you tend to be much more contracting diagonal here. And if you are contracting diagonal, you are looking for a higher wave 5, of course. And considering a zigzag, we might be here in a contracting diagonal and then retracement and one impulse towards the upside to take the high again as a wave 5. So that would be very nice to see, but it would not be very nice to see this drop back again, right? So let's go inside the 1 hour chart to see what's going on here. So if we go in the 1 hour chart as a bullish scenario, you are looking, of course, at a contracting diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly wave 5. Now your wave 5 should be, of course, a zigzag, and in that case, of course, we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave A, possibly very sharp wave B, which it might not be finished yet. So I don't know why I don't know why a zigzag want to be very, very long a time. Now this looks like a wave B zigzag because it's very sharp. Normally a zigzag have a very sharp correction. However, it is very deep as well. Okay, it's not really nice to see. So the things are still shaky a little bit, where we are looking, of course, at A, B, and a C towards the upside. Now, if your wave B is not finished yet, because okay, so we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly a 5. Now your wave 4 is possibly not finished yet, however, not invalidated as well yet. Once we touch this wave 1 here, which is the price at 11.5 or 11.51, if we touch this price, therefore we invalidate this impulse. Now, in case we invalidate this impulse, therefore we have to move into a possible, not possible, even this is an expanding flat. Expanding diagonal. Therefore, invalidation. Therefore, I think bearish than bullish, because of course, yeah, something is not really good here. Yeah, and lower wave corrective wave. Let's say we are A, and then you have 3 waves B. Then your wave C should be very, very extended. Okay. Yeah, it can be. Why not? I mean, of course. I mean, after what we saw today in Bitcoin, I believe in everything. Yeah. So if we see a lower prices, I will keep the like this scenario alive until we break here. Okay, until we break this yellow trend taken from the 2 to the 4. Okay, once we break it, therefore of course invalidation. However, since this is still existing so far, it gives us a very, very high possibility still. Okay, even if the price is here, even if we break it, it might still be a W, X, and a Y. Okay, it still can be a W, X, Y. So nobody knows, and then move up again. However, of course, very, very, I mean, the possibility to be, yeah, it's very rare, guys. Okay, and wave 5 in time is very rare. Normally, wave 5 should finish. Yeah, should be finished. However, it's fine. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. You know, your invalidation 1 here for the impulse. If that is so, your last chance, of course, is a zigzag. Therefore, if I was trading this, let's say, I take the zigzag fib level, the 1-to-1. This would be a confirmation, okay, that okay, if we retrace from here, we might still see a wave 5. If we break this, the chances are very, very low, guys, especially if we break the yellow line, right? So this is for the bullish scenario. In case we are bullish, of course, guys, there are just possibilities here. And for the bearish scenario, I prefer to go back also for the daily, for the bearish, to see how this is gonna unfold. For a bearish scenario, we are going to, yes, to unfinished correction. So the same scenario of a wave A or wave 1. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed here except that it is not finished yet as a corrective wave. We are looking at A, and then B, and then possibly wave C towards the downside, where your wave C might already started as 1, 2, 3, 4, and F5. One more wave towards the downside might be the case as a contracting diagonal, because your wave 4 has interfered with your wave 1. In that case scenario, let me just check one thing as well. If we put here the trends taken from the 2 to the 4 as well. Okay, let's take the parallel. Yeah, it might overshoot sometimes, but still inside it. So we are still in contracting diagonal, guys, towards the downside, where you are looking possibly to a one more wave towards the downside, and this might be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's check it inside it. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart as bearish, we are looking here at a WXY true as correction. That's very true, because this is your wave, yeah, the 1, 2, right? After 1, 2 here, you possibly have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as a wave 1, remember? And then you are looking at a wave 2 here as as a bigger wave 2, possibly finished here, of course. And here you are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 1 as a red, and you are looking at A, B, C in complex structure, of course. Not so complex. I mean, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then 5 waves up. For a wave C here and a wave 2, and then here we go. We are looking 1, 2, 3, and then oops, oh, yeah, okay, 4 invalidated. Okay, but it could be okay, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 1 again, and then corrective wave 2, okay, as A, B, and a C, and now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in that case, of course, you are breaking your diagonal. Remember this trend line here, it could be broken, and of course for a bigger wave 3, because you are already 1, 2, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing your wave 3, which is over there. Here we go. So you are looking, of course, for lower prices. Let's talk fibs. Taking the fibs from the wave 1 to the wave 2 here. Here we go. All right. Trading view. Thank you. All right. So impulse wave 3. We gonna have a wave 3 here. 4 and 5. Okay. Yeah, so it's $9.92. This is your wave 3, of course, as 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5. And in that case scenario, you are just still wave, still wave 1 of 5. Okay. So let me check a little bit for our chart, guys, just to see what we have here. So 1, 2, okay, I consider this 1, 2 again. No, I will not. I will change that. I'm gonna keep it 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is already there. 1, 2, 3, but I think this is yeah. Okay, let's put these things inside the bearish. I just want to keep the things organized. Here we go. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 exactly. And on your bearish scenario, of course, after this all mass here, yeah, I already explained what happened here, right? We corrective, and then you have A, B, C as W, X, Y corrective, and then you have 1, 2, and then 3 towards the downside. Okay. So you have started, guys, your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this might be, of course, your wave 5 here. Yeah. So you, of course, you want to move down, of course, a little bit lower than this. Okay, it shouldn't be so crazy low, yeah? Because I think we have a very strong support for link with the range that we saw exactly here. So this is a very strong support area, guys, taken from this area here. So definitely your wave 5 cannot really break this area. Okay, so I doubt that we're gonna get a low wave 5 so much. Okay, and looking at this contracting diagonal, it doesn't look like very contracting. So we have a very extended wave 3. That's why it's not contracting so much, but still inside the zone area of a contracting diagonal. Therefore, I suggest here that it might be a shallow wave 5, only taking the low. Okay, only taking the low and then moving up again, guys. Moving up again because, yeah, we might finish A, B, C. Okay, so this is the idea. Yeah, so that was it for XRP, not XRP, sorry, that was Link. Yeah, so in bearish, to recap, in bearish scenario, you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave C, and you are still looking towards the downside. For if you are bullish, you don't want to break this zone level taken for your diagonal. Very simple, guys. You don't want to break this price. If you break this price, you are bearish. Okay, if you still above it, you are bullish. Very simple. Okay, then this is ABC. If you are bullish, if it is broken, it's gonna transform to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple. All right, so that was it for XRP. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.